यस्तै हुन्छ हैन what we are going to discuss about is the intersection. It means if there is a intersection that we have to find, then and we have to represent it in diagram, we need to set the overlapping zone only. And then what will happen if there is no any overlapping set intersection? This means the set which represents the common members, is it? If there is no any common members, then what it will do? What we will do is, okay. So this is the case of different set. So since no any members common, then there is no intersection. Is it? Member common छैन भने हामी केही पनि गर्न सक्दैनौँ, खाली छोड्छौँ, ठीक छ? So what will happen if a universal set is given over there and we have to represent universal set? So in case of universal set is there, what you will do is, if the overlapping set only, then we can find the intersection if overlapping set is there. So we will represent like this way, it, and we will set, okay, and we will set what? We will set the common portion only, is it? We will set common portion. This one. This is the representation of intersection in Venn diagram. Let's suppose this is as a set A and this is as a set B. Okay, so you may have a question like this, sir, what will happen if there is a members, then how to find and how to represent भन्ने queries हुन सक्छ. So let me address your problems. Okay, so if u is equals to u, let's put on universal set as well. U is equals to a b c d e f g h I. Okay, universal set u is equals to this much. A is equals to, we have, let's suppose a b c d, and we have b is equals to we have a e mm, a e I a e I. Okay, then find a intersection b and represent in Venn diagram. Question यसरी सोधियो, find a intersection b and represent it on Venn diagram भनेर सोधियो. Okay, so what you will do, अब तिमीले के गर्छौ होला? What you will do is, you will find a intersection b first and then you will represent it on Venn diagram. Okay, solution. Let's find the solution first. Solution. Here u is equals to how much? A B C D E F G H I. Okay, and A is equals to how much? A is equals to how much? A B C D. A is equals to this much. B is equals to how much? A E I. Is it? So then A intersection B. A intersection B is equals to, first of all, what we need to write? Members of A comma B comma C comma D, okay, and intersection members of B. Members of B are how much? A, E, I. So out of these, what is common? What is common? Common means the repeated members. Which members are repeated over there? Can you tell?
A.
A. Good.
A.
The A intersection B is A. So now we have to represent this A intersection in Venn diagram. Okay. So we have universal set. So we need to draw a rectangular box. If we don't have universal set,
Sir, you are muted.
so we need to draw a rectangular box if we have universal set is given there. If no universal set, no rectangular box. In our condition, there is universal set, so we are going to draw a rectangular box. Is it? So rectangular box is drawn. So now we need two circles or two oval shape. Is it? We need two oval shape. So this much is fine. Oh, what happened? This much is fine. Okay, and I'm copying this, pasting this. Okay, so common member, so it is placed like that. Okay, so now what we have to do is we need to write here U, because universal set is there. Okay, so U, and this set is what? Anyone you can write this one as a, their naming as a and B. So let's suppose this one as a set A, this one as a set B. Okay, this one as a set B. And so what is this? This is a overlapping zone. Overlapping zone, what we need to write? Common members. So what is common there? Common member is A is
A.
present on both set. Okay. So now let's look at towards the set A. In set A, what are the members of set A? A, B, C, and D. Is it? So this overlapping zone, this overlap zone is the common for every set, isn't it? So this overlapping zone is common for every set. So it means this A belongs to set A also, set B also, A मा पनि पर्छ, B मा पनि पर्छ. So A को member कति त अब? A, B, C, D. A is already coming. So now what's left? B. Let's write B. Okay, B, C, now D. B, C, D. Okay. And what is the member of B? B is A, E, I. A is already coming. What is not coming? E and I. Okay. So now let's have a look towards the universal set. So A and B are subset of universal set. Then all the members of A and B are derived from which set? Universal set. So we can count as a what is missing on U now? A, B coming, C coming, D coming, E coming. What is not coming? F is not here. So let's write F, F, and G also not here. Wherever we can write inside the box, box भित्र जहाँ पनि लेख्न पाइन्छ. So G also here. I is there. What is also not coming here? H also not coming. So H. Okay. This is our H. Okay. So we have already represented by sharing the intersection. So this much is the complete answer. This much we have to do. Are you clear what now what you have to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm giving you a one classwork. If P is equals to first 6 natural numbers and q is equals to Yox such that Yox is prime numbers, comma, Yox is less than, Yox is less than 10. Yox 10 भन्दा सानो भए. Find P cap Q or P intersection Q and represent in diagram. Can you find this? Can you find this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Classwork. Can you tell me P intersection Q? P is how much members of P, members of Q, and P intersection Q? Can you tell me what are they? How much coming?
Not completed.
Okay. Why late?
2 IO.
2 IO. How 2 IO? Number there is capital letters, alphabets also there. Okay, so you can match your answers. So first 6 natural number, 1 2 3 4 5 6, is it? Q is equals to how much? Q is equals to, X is a prime number, that is the members of Q are the prime numbers, and the prime numbers are less than 10. 2 3 5
5.
7, prime number less than 10, is it? So now P and Q is overlapping or disjoint?
Overlapping.
Why overlapping?
Because 2 and 5 are 2, 3 and 5 is same.
Oh, 2 3 and 5 are repeated. Yes, in set P and Q there are 2 3 and 5 are repeated. So if members are repeated or if members are present on a both set sum of the members, then we called it as a overlapping set. Okay, so if none of the members are common, then we called it as a disjoint set. Is it?
Disjoint.
Overlapping and disjoint. Khimang, now are you clear? Okay, so now I'm moving forward. Identify question number 1. Identify whether the set are. How many of you have book? सबैजनासँग किताब छ?
No, sir.
कोसँग छैन किताब?
Sir, मसँग छैन.
Yeah.
आकै थिएन सर.
Okay, you can download the books. Okay, if you don't have, you can download the books. So okay, overlapping and disjoint case ma chai if members are common, then overlapping. If none of the members are common or repeated on the both set, we need to call it as a disjoint set. Are you clear on that? Overlapping and disjoint.
Yes, sir.
I will post out the assignment today, and you have to submit it regarding overlapping and disjoint, and A union B, A intersection B, and the subset. Subset सँग सम्बन्धित अनि overlapping र disjoint सँग सम्बन्धित, and that of union सम्बन्धी चाहिँ problem I will discuss on that. I will submit assignment, and in our next class we will discuss about the intersection, and then our set relations set will be finished. Okay, and if you have any problem regarding that, we can discuss. I'm stopping my share for now. Okay, so I will post it on Google Classroom today, and you can solve from there. If any problem arises, then you can contact. So does anybody missing the does